Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to manage new followers on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app, move to the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy here. Now you can see here notifications. In interactions there is third option of new followers, how you can manage new followers on TikTok. If you think that your followers list is being overloaded or completed, you can turn it off. If you need new followers, turn it on. In this way, by turning it on and off, you can manage your new followers on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.